I'm going to be changing the oil on my Predator generator. It's the 4375 model, and so I'm going to go ahead and get it warmed up and show you how to change the oil on this thing. Okay, so we've got it warmed up and shut off. Here is the oil fill and the oil drain, and for some reason they put it over the frame, so I'm going to take some foil and put it up on here so that the oil comes out and goes down into our pan down there. So I'll get that set up and I'll be right back. All right, so here's our little foil thing just to keep our frame clean. It'll get probably pooled up right down in here, but after the oil is out, I'll put the plug back in, and then we'll just take the foil off and we won't have a mess. All right, so I've got a 10mm wrench. It's got a little play. It might take a 9, but I think this will be fine. There we go. It's loose. Get that coming off. Let that all drain out. All right, we'll tilt it a little, see if we can get any more oil out. All right, that should be pretty good. We'll put our plug back in. Come on. All right. Snug it up. Okay. Now we're gonna fill it. So there is the fill hole. I'm probably gonna tip this a little just to make sure I can get in there. I have a little funnel, but it's gonna be kind of a pain to get that in there if it's level. So I'll go ahead and tilt it a little bit. So this takes 0.6 quarts, which is 19.2 ounces. I've got 2 oils here. This one's left over from my mower change. It's got a few ounces in there, and this is an 18 ounce. So we'll use this whole bottle and then an ounce from this jug to get about 19 ounces in here. So we'll go ahead and take this off. I do have my fuel shut off, which I forgot to mention earlier, but that's part of the procedure. Turn the fuel line to the off position. I'll set that down. And I did buy this funnel, which is going to work well for this, even though that hole's pretty small, but it's better than trying to get this bottle in there. So let's see how this works. well. It doesn't want to screw on. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's see what we can do here with this. Alright, there goes the 18. Get about an ounce out of this one. Yeah, that's about perfect. All right. Put this guy to the side. All right, so we got our oil in here. Go ahead and put our cap back in. Fill plug. Alright, so we'll let it run for a minute and then check the oil level. So the directions in the manual say that we check the oil level without threading this guy in. So we'll go ahead and clean this off. This is as low as my tripod goes, so I can't really get a real good angle on it, but you'll get the idea. Oh yeah, we're good. That is definitely, you got the right amount of oil in there. Get that plugged back in and cleaned off. And that's all there is to it to change the oil on a Predator generator. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.